Hello family, it is I, Janita, back again to share what's in my pantry. Foods that I have stocked up on and foods that I have had in my pantry previously to help me prepare fabulous meals. Yep, what's in my pantry today and what am I about to share? Let's see. As you can see, silly me. As you can see, I have some Aunt Your Mama complete buttermilk pancake mix. We have some Barilla oven ready lasagna. That's some pretty good lasagna noodles. When I was, eating a lot of pastas and stuff like that. And I have my husband some egg noodles, wide egg noodles, extra wide from Noodles Kroger, but really it's Ralph's. And then we have some Anthony's Rotelli. What's in the pantry? Previously, at least we have these items. If you want chicken soup, I can use these noodles for that. And also what I want to really share, I found some oranges and some tangerines, aka halos. I took pictures of the bag, so I just took a few out so I can have it in the video to show you guys that I did find some doggone oranges. Hey family, it is I. Well, I just wanted to share that I did find some oranges and some tangerines. I call them halos. And ta-da! I found me some zucchini. And yes, and I bought a couple of bottles of orange juice. My husband, he been drinking orange juice. I just have a little bit of the fresh oranges. And the orange juice, I guess it's fresh too, but it's just juiced already. I don't deal with that. That's kind of too sweet for me. Even the oranges are kind of too sweet because I don't want to spike my blood sugar. So I only eat a little of the oranges, but enough to give me that good vitamin C. So we did find some oranges and some tangerines and some zucchini. Alright, this will be shared in my pantry video. And tangerines. And my husband is loving it because he needs that vitamin C. And so do I. And also I got him 2 bottles of the original no pulp Tropicana orange juice. He's loving it and I'm glad he's loving it. Yep, that's what's happening around here. Vitamin C. Oh, and let me share some news. What am I trying to tell y'all today? Family, have you guys heard? I just recently seen this news. People, I think they are in Walla Walla County somewhere, I believe. Google it. I might be wrong. But anyway, have y'all heard they having COVID-19 parties? Crazy, huh? They are purposely mingling in these parties with an infected person so they can get the virus and get it over with. That's kind of insane because, yeah, you can get it over with. You might die. You just don't have to get it and heal up. You can die from this disease. So I don't know why people playing around with COVID-19 and the mutated virus. So hey, people are dying. This is serious. People losing loved ones, mamas, daddies, brothers, sisters, aunt, uncles, grandparents, all kind of folks, relatives dying. The people are grieving over and feeling really bad. They lost their loved ones. So people making a joke about this, having COVID-19 party. Leave in a comment what y'all think about this, because I don't know. Is it just white folks doing it? Well, I have seen some black folks having some parties too. Are they having COVID-19 parties too? Are they trying to get infected purposely? Insane. Leave y'all thoughts in the comment section because this is quite ridiculous. And also, why is the Trump administration, I ain't trying to do politics, but why is, I heard on the news that they want to shut down the CDC so we can't know how dangerous the virus is and what's going on in the world with the virus news. So what y'all think about that, them shutting down the CDC? I'm sure some of y'all have heard the news. If not, you better Google it, because this is serious. Why would you want to shut the CDC down? Why do you want to, the Trump administration want to put their own ideas about what's happening in the world? Jesus, keep us covered in the blood. For all of you guys that believe in God, I don't know, but I'm keep all that out of. It's just family. I'm talking to y'all. I know I got a YouTube family, but if y'all got some thoughts, ideas on the subject, just leave them in the comment section. Please, can you, okay, family, that's the news that I'm sharing today. Y'all got any thoughts, ideas about it? I know, family, y'all shy and ain't commented in my comment section. But anyway, let me know some other kind of way how y'all feel about this subject, about the COVID-19 parties and the CDC being shut down, so America or anybody else that want to know what's happening can't, because it's being shut down. Leave your comments in the comments section, because this is serious. Also, what else I'm trying to tell y'all about? I know everybody heard about the young man that was shot and killed in February, and everybody is very upset about that. That is crazy. White people deliberately, at will, at random, killing black folks. It's crazy. And what can you say? Some white folks are definitely delusional when it comes to killing people of color for no reason. You suspect them of something. Why don't you suspect your old kind of white folks of doing crime? I know I'm about to go off, and I don't need to. My sisters try to tell me to hold off, but hell, I'm tired of this one-sidedness. I know a lot of you guys are too. Leave in the comments what y'all think about that. White folks randomly shooting, killing black folks on purpose just because I guess they privileged and they can do all that craziness. But leave y'all thoughts, ideas in the comment section. This is just my opinion. I know, family, y'all are gonna be private and ain't saying what y'all got to say. I'll find out about y'all opinion in a different way. But YouTube family, y'all got something to say it, because this is ridiculous. I know every white person is not evil and mean and delusional, like a whole bunch of them walking around here with loaded pistols and guns and ready to kill folks. Oh my God. But anyway, I'm not going to be stressed about that, because I'm just put it in God's hand like that and deal with it in that way. But anyway, I am here for a pantry video, sharing a pantry haul. What's in my pantry, what I have already in my pantry, and meals that I am going to be using these items for to make some yummy meals for my husband and myself. But anyway, that news got to me. I told y'all about that mutated virus the other day in my previous video. Hope y'all spreading the word so your family members can be safe too. When they find, let them know about the mutated virus. It's 2 viruses out there, okay? Not 1. So when y'all out there lollygagging around in the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, wherever shoe store y'all can find open, you need to know it's 2 viruses out there ready to snatch your life or your loved one's life. And I know y'all love some people in your life and you wish them no harm. So quit messing around with this virus and try not to have no COVID-19 parties, because that is absolutely freaking ridiculous. That is some bull, some BS. I'm telling y'all, don't have no COVID-19 party. And I can't tell the world what to do. I can just speak to my family. And if y'all just hear me say anything and y'all want to react on it, leave some comments if y'all want to. That's fine. But if it's some crazy comments, y'all ain't getting through. Okay? Ha! But anyway, let me finish telling y'all what I got up here to share. I got some Mrs. Dash original blend, salt free. I got Bush's pinto beans. I have 2 cans of these, and I plan on making a meal with some cornbread with these right here. I'm gonna create a recipe. I don't have a cooking show. Sometimes I share some things I cook. I might not show the whole way I did it, but excuse me, I'm choking. I show the after results. This ain't no cooking show. It's just a variety of things, different things I do. My channel is Janita Loving It Crafts and Hobbies. Y'all know. Some of y'all, if y'all come across my channel, I do crafting. Y'all check out some of my previous videos. You see what I've done. I don't have my story. Okay, family, sorry about that. I had an interruption. I also got a box of Member Mark. You know Member Mark is Sam's Club. 12 cans of tomato paste. It's stocked up in the pantry. And also I have some of these chicken bouillons. A lot of this stuff I use sparingly because some of these things have ingredients in there that I ain't trying to pack in my body anymore. You know, I'm trying to eat a little cleaner to take care of myself and not get sick by eating a lot of these foreign ingredients all in this stuff. I make my own chicken bouillon when I boil chicken parts and make my own chicken stock and get that good gel. If y'all did that before, that's a good way to help season up your rices and flavor your foods and meals up with that good chicken gel. You can make that from boiling chicken and adding celery, onions, carrots, and if you know how to season it, that's even better. I have also Market Pantry Italian style breadcrumbs. This is some things I use, you know, with my husband when I make him foods. Because like I said, a lot of these ingredients in some of these foods I don't want to deal with anymore. I also got this Hershey's chocolate, natural, unsweetened, 100% cocoa, and that's probably pronounced cocoa. Anyway, this would be good when I want to make some chocolate muffins, even though I know I am allergic to chocolate, but I can eat chocolate for one day. Like, my diet is limited on stuff, occasional. Be right back, family. Sorry about that interruption. Y'all might hear the fan on because it's hot over here in the Southern California. But anyway, what I was saying about with this Hershey's cocoa mix, I am allergic to chocolate, but if I eat it one day, it's okay. If I go over another day, then I got problems. But anyway, I was thinking about making some chocolate nut muffins, but not too soon right now. But those last banana nut raisin muffins were so delicious, and I put that good fiber in there. Oh, hold on, family. Hold on. I was saying before another interruption, I used almond flour, coconut flour, and I used the flaxseed flour in those banana nut raisin muffins. What I'm trying to say. But anyway, with my chocolate extract, I can get the flavor of the muffins a little bit more chocolate. I'm going to try that in the future. And also, I got some of this McCormick chili seasoning pack, which I rarely really use these. I use them not too often because I like to use my organic seasonings instead of spices that are pre-packed. But anyway, it's good to have in the pantry just in case I don't feel like doing something. This is quick to make my husband some quick chili. Use this with a can of these beans and some ground beef. That valuable, hard to find, expensive ground beef right now because of the meat shortage. Oh, and I also got some Campbell's Cream of Mushroom 4-pack. I forgot, where did I get this from? Probably Amazon. So this is good when I want to make dressing or whatever the heck I want to, tuna casserole, stuff like that, or any several meals you can use this. You got a creative meal making mind, and you could do several things with this cream of mushroom soup. Oh, and if anybody ever tried the liquid aminos all-purpose seasoning from soy protein, I use a little bit of that. I also use the coconut aminos. We got some A1 steak sauce, good on steaks and several other items. Also, family, y'all can use these Quaker oats in your meatloaves, your burgers, to stretch your ground beef. Put some Quaker oats in there. And then I bought this. Oh, that's about all in the pantry video today I'm sharing with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And check out Google what I mentioned about what's happening in the news, family. And leave a comment if y'all got an idea on, or y'all want to comment about some of the things I talked about today. Have at it. Remember, there will be pictures so y'all can see exactly what I got in the pantry today. And I don't know if I'll be back with another pantry. We shall see. Some of y'all might be tired of my pantry video. Let me know in the comment. And anyway, who cares if y'all tired? This is really, family, y'all better not be tired of my pantry videos. And if y'all are, get over it, because y'all know I just love to share. And family, have a good day. Take care of yourself. And remember, it's 2 viruses out there. So double precautions. And one last thing. They did also say on the news, some people are even getting sick even though they stay in the house. And they do wear gloves, masks, and whatever. And people still getting the virus. It's from contact, probably from something you touching, cardboard, metal. It could come through your mail, or just something being touched that you touching hasn't been sanitized. So everybody be a little bit more careful when you get your mail. Have a glove on and wrap it up in a bag and just let it stay in that bag for a few days before you touch it or something. And metal, make sure you sanitize extra, because people are getting sick just from being in their home, which I thought was just wow. That made me nervous, because like I say, I ain't trying to go out there and might get sick from the mail or packages coming in my home. That could be happening, because cardboard, they say, hold that virus for a little bit longer. So be careful, folks, when y'all open your family, when you opening your packages. Family, I'm talking to you. And YT family, y'all listening, just be careful when you open them packages up, because folks getting sick from just being in their house. It got to be coming from the mail, through the mail, or a contaminated door when they go outside. Who knows? This mess might be in the air. And some people are more sensitive than others, and when they inhale it, and somebody just walked by and coughed, and that stuff is lingering, and they inhale it, or ingest it on a piece of fruit they didn't quite get clean, or a piece of meat was contaminated. It's just so much. But share y'all ideas and thoughts, and leave comments if you got anything to say about all this. All right, bye.